Thank you, Ray. Next one up. Next one up. Next one up. Let's go, fantasy. Let's go, fantasy. Fantasy.
My cat. That's my cat. That's why I
Hold that pose for me. Hold that pose. Judges. Next one. The next one. She brought the reference. Let's go.
Reference traditional Japanese painting. Traditional Japanese painting. Cherry blossom. Sakura. Spring. Flower spring.
1, 2, 3.
I love this face.
Let's go. We're ready for the next battle. Let's go. Judges the score. It's from stage. It's from stage. Okay, we still have a battle between April and Felicia.
And Miss Pearl. Miss Pearl.
Okay, we have 3 participants, so I need the next 2. This is going to be a triple battle. This is going to be a 3-way battle.
Yeah.
This is going to be I need you all. Kita let's go. DJ final battle.
Interest more. Interest more. Details. Hey, don't hold my judge. Don't hold my judge. Look at the details, girl. Look at the leaves, look at the roots. Wait.
I'm more realistic. The cherries blossom. Look
Look at the details, girl.